Looking out west, we can see the beautiful silhouette of Uluru, and we can see the planet Jupiter, the deep gorges of the southern side as we pan across towards the sunrise, and we can make out the silhouette of the trees and the incredible desert landscape, and you can just possibly make out Venus rising just before the rising sun. We are just on the cusp of sunrise. The sun is slowly peeping through the clouds, coming over the eastern horizon. Soon we will be bathed in its light. Sunrise, just poking through the clouds now. We're just heading down to Mutijula waterhole, and we're going to have a look to see if there's any water from the recent rains. You know, this place feels like you're walking into an open encyclopedia. You can see the strata. Each strata represents, to my mind, a page in an incredible volume of information there. Each page is packed full of hard-earned knowledge that reveals an underlying reality that we need to overcome, make it our own, and to celebrate that. Now, with any story, human story or geological story, there are the three main ingredients that you need: destruction, creation, transformation, and this place definitely represents all three ingredients over the last three supercontinents over the last 2 billion years. This is a remarkable and very unique place, a demonstration of what time and space can do, deep time and space. It's incredible. This often unnoticed bowl-shaped gorge on the southwest side of Uluru offers a vivid analogue of the Cambrian explosion 542 million years ago, especially with its surrounding black cyanobacteria lines, gutters, ribs, all linking together at its base to form a clearly discernible waterfall whenever it rains. Now we can say this because the Mutijula Arkos of Uluru was laid down during the Peterman orogeny 580 to 530 million years ago over this incredible period. So somewhere deep within Uluru there would be strata that corresponds with that time of the Cambrian explosion, and therefore the evolutionary beginnings of our unique ability to contemplate such things. The formation of Uluru Karajuta is very, very long, and you get a sense of that, you can feel that. So one of the obvious questions that people ask is, how old is it? And that's a difficult question to answer really. But with regards to the supercontinent cycle, my best answer is that's 3 supercontinents older. And when I say that, I'm referring to Pangaea, which was the last supercontinent. The one before that was Rodinia 1.1 billion years ago, and there in fact was one before that, Nuna, 1.8 billion years ago. And each of these supercontinents played their role in the formation of Uluru. Like a telescope or microscope, deep time is also a lens. It makes the invisible visible. The incomprehensibly large and the intangibly small become clearly observable. It is a way of seeing through the mind's eye what the naked eye cannot, and in doing so the outer landscape shapes the inner. In geology, through the lens of deep time, the seemingly inert becomes graphically alive. Most importantly, we can see that Uluru Karajuta is not absolute, but relative, matter in motion. Interestingly, this concept seems to be already well understood in Chukupa, Uluru and its geology is happening now. Deep time also means deep space, where size is equally beyond our ordinary human comprehension. Confined to Earth's surface, 2/3 of what we see is sky. On a crystal clear night when we look out deep into space towards distant stars light years away, we look back into deep time. Especially so in the middle of nowhere of outback Australia, where you sense perpetual space beyond dimension and when time ceases to matter. In this way, the giant ancestral beings of Chukopa are now entirely conceivable in this infinite and immense land when and where shape, potency and character are reliable guides through this space and time.